Go over those again.
What?
A what?
An abandoned imaginary friend.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Duck flying south.
intermittently possessed by Steve Irwin. Yeah. Okay. And
He's coming back. Please.
I hate this show.
The world's most lonely girl. Hi, everyone. Hello, bachelors. How are you this evening? All right, I'm going to go ahead and start the questioning so we can get on with our date. Bachelor number 1, what is the most romantic evening in your mind?
Flying. Where it's warm.
Oh, that sounds like a fun evening. Bachelor number 2, same question.
I think. Oh Jesus! No, not again, please. We go crocodile hunting. Hunt some crocodiles. Where's some crocs? Yeah, that's yeah.
You have a dangerous side. I like that. All right, bachelor number 3. If your house was on fire, what would you take out of it, or would you leave?
Well, I would have taken you out, but you haven't even talked to me in like 8 years.
It seems like bachelor number 3 has some issues. So let's move on. Bachelor number 1. Do you see the glass as half empty or half full?
The shit out of me.
Interrupting our game.
Bachelor number 1.
We're in a cloud right now.
So, would you still go out with me?
Well, is your poop white like mine, or is it normal color?
I guess you'll have to wait and find out.
I think my internal compass is broken.
Oh no, I don't know what that is. All right, bachelor number 2. It seems that you're an outdoorsy kind of guy, but I'm more of a night owl out and partying. Would you say you're more of an early bird or night owl?
Well, it depends, really. I mean, he loves to be out and hunting. I just like to sleep. He's coming back. One of them crocs. Gotta find him.
Bachelor number 2, you have a great personality. Bachelor number 3. If you were a color, what color would you be and why?
Wouldn't be any color. You can't even see me.
That was existential of you, Bachelorette number 3. Or Bachelor, I'm sorry. Alright, I think that I have made my decision. So, alright, so I'm not going to call your foul, but I'm not really into bestiality, so the goose is going to have to go.
Yeah.
Bird?
Yeah.
Okay. So, bachelor number 3. It's been a really long time since I dumped you 8 years ago.
No.
All right, I'm gonna come back to you actually, because you know what, you're.
That's what you said last time. You never came back. You just grew up and went away.
Oh. That's the issue. All right, well, bachelor number 2. I've had a lot of bad boy boyfriends in my past, and you only seem to be half bad boy, but perhaps you have some mental problems, maybe schizophrenia, and you think that you're crocodile hunter Dundee type thing half the time. So I can't really deal with that, so I might need you to leave. And you're tired.
That's close enough.
And Peter, I know it's been a long time, but can I go back to Neverland?